has an impact on us and the environment we live in. One major component of these rocks beneath the ocean is a crystal called olivine. If this olivine gets in contact with water, and if the temperature is sufficiently high, it reacts with the water to form another rock called serpentinite, which you might see on your screens. This serpentinite is quite a special type of rock, not only because it is nice and green, but also because it has some very interesting properties. For one, it influences the motion of the continents. It is a very weak rock and making everything a bit more slippery. Another thing is that serpentinite can take up quite a large amount of carbon dioxide. So it stores carbon dioxide inside, thereby reducing the concentration of carbon dioxide in the air and reducing global warming. So I try to understand better how this really useful rock serpentinite forms by looking at some rocks which has been moved from underneath the ocean onto the continents. So two important things for the formation of this serpentinite I already mentioned. We need the correct temperature, and we need to get water into our rocks, usually by fractures. But there's one more thing which I found when I looked